Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So this episode we're going to make a drink called the 20th Century. So it is a gin-based drink that uses Lillet Blanc and some White Creme De Cacao and a little lemon juice. So I've never had it. I'm kind of curious because the flavors, right? The chocolate, the lemon, the Lillet Blanc, that don't seem to like go together. But I've been pleasantly surprised in the past, and hoping this will be another time. So anyway, let's get started. First things first, we're gonna go an ounce and a half of gin. And this drink doesn't specify what type of gin, because there's a lot of different types of gin. So I'm using my favorite. Next, we're going to go an ounce of the White Creme De Cacao, just an ounce. Next, we're going to go an ounce of the Lillet Blanc. And last but not least, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Give it a little mix real quick before we add our ice. Got our Coupe glass and our strainer. Here we go. The 20th century with ingredients that don't seem that they should go together. But let's see. Cheers. Again, there's another instance where strange shouldn't work, and strange more than works. This is a good drink. It's a good sour drink. It's like you can never go wrong with sour, I guess. If you're a sour person, you like sour type drinks, you can never go wrong with stuff like this. But anyway, do not forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, guys. Cheers.